I'm Marina.
I'm Jesse.
I'm Jerry, and welcome to Neighborhood Nature. Hey scientists, welcome back to Heron's Head Park. Today we are looking at sagebrush.
California sagebrush is a California native plant. Do you remember what native means? Native means originally from a place. In this case, this plant is originally from California and lives all along the California coast. That means we can find it here in San Francisco.
Let's practice using our senses to investigate this plant. Let's start with our sense of smell. I noticed that this plant smells minty and floral. It reminds me of toothpaste. I wonder why these leaves are so smelly.
Did you know that sagebrush has a strong smell and bitter taste to keep animals from eating it? This kind of adaptation is common in many other animals and plants. Can you think of any plants or animals that might have a strong smell or taste?
Hey everyone, let's practice using our sight and our touch to learn more about this plant. Let's take a look. This plant has needle-like leaves, and if you describe its color, it's kind of green and also has silver in its color. I noticed that this plant has lots of little tiny hairs underneath each leaf. Also, this plant is very soft. It reminds me of a blanket that I used to have when I was younger. I wonder why this plant is so soft.
Hey Jesse, what time is it?
It's time for Park Fact!
Did you know Heron's Head Park contains a salt marsh? A salt marsh is a unique type of habitat that we have here in the San Francisco Bay. It's made of flat, muddy areas that are often flooded with salt water. The salt marshes provide an abundance of rich food for many animals such as birds that are migrating, but also local species to the SF Bay such as leopard sharks and great blue herons. Not only do salt marshes benefit animals and plants, they also benefit people like you and me. These salt marshes act like sponges to help prevent flooding by absorbing rainwater. They also help filter pollution in the SF Bay. Wow, that's amazing! Don't forget to use your senses to observe the world around you next time you are at a park. Using your sense of sight, touch, hearing, and smell are a great way to learn about the different animals and plants that live at your local park.